House Chair, these tax laws are technical in nature and largely aimed at increasing government's revenue. But no law will improve government's revenue stream. Without economic growth and a conducive environment for the private sector to operate, invest and create employment, the tax revenue of this country will get less and less, whilst the burden on government to provide social relief and services will become more and more. The introduction in this legislation of a 3-year rule for those who wish to withdraw their pension upon immigration will result in hardship. But it is not something that a government can do with legislation to force South Africans to not immigrate. And it's very sad that it has come to that. There's no reason for this introduction of this rule, and National Treasury cannot explain a real explanation and reason for this introduction, other than keeping money in South Africa, preventing people from immigrating. But Chairperson, government must put its aim at preventing people from immigrating by rather creating an attractive country where people do not want to leave from, where there is economic growth, where corruption is something in history and is not a daily pandemic and a daily occurrence. Chairperson, increasing excise duties, increasing taxes is not the solution. We must be careful that the actual objective of these duties will not achieve its objective, but will have unintended consequences of further deteriorating economic growth. Voorsitter, die regering moet belasting verdien. Hy moenie net belasting in nie. En dit is die klimaat waarin ons tans is. Die regering maak wetgewing, maak dit strenger, verhoog belasting en wil die wat belasting betaal net verder en verder aanslaan en vervolg indien hulle oortree. Maar wat van die waarde van daardie belastinggeld? Is daar waarde? Daar is nie. Want geld word gemors, geld word wanbestee op alle vlakke van regering, korrupsie vind plaas en daar's verkeerde prioriteite. No act, no legislation will solve that. There must be a mind shift, there must be a new commitment to better governance. Die EFF dink dat geld uit die hemel uitval, dat maatskappye sakke vol geld het en dat hulle net belas en belas moet word. Wie dink die EFF betaal die werkers se salarisse? As belasting verhoog van maatskappye, dan kan hulle nie meer salarisse bekostig nie. En dit het 'n negatiewe impak. Die privaat sektor moet gekoester word en nie die vyand gemaak word nie, want dit is die probleem op die oomblik. Tussen die regering, die regerende party, die ANC, en hulle maatjies die EFF, is die privaat sektor en die wat eintlik verantwoordelik is om hierdie ekonomie te red, die heeltyd die vyand. En dit is hulle wat gekoester moet word en nie die heeltyd vyandig hanteer moet word nie. Moenie na wetgewing kyk nie, maar kyk na hoe die geld bestee word en of belastinggeld op die einde van die dag verdien word. Ek dankie.